looks like on the street. As you can see, life goes on. It's a cool place to get some t-shirts. Oh my god, what smells good? Oh my, those pancakes smell so good. I think I might get some. Hello.
Hello.
Hey guys, what's up? So, today I got out of quarantine. And right now I'm about to eat. I just checked into a hotel for the weekend and I'm about to eat. So I'm in a restaurant right now, trying to order some food. But the main goal for today, as I said from the last vlog, was looking for a barber to cut my hair. So I'm liking a little square thing which is right next to Siam Mall, which is one of the biggest malls here. And I'm gonna go check out some barbers and see what's up. But first, I've gotta eat. So I'll catch you when I finish eating. Deuces. Alright, so I just found one of the barbers. Checking it out. Might go in and see what's up. Alright, so they're sending me to the back, to the pro. I'm guessing he's the pro. Hello. Alright guys, this is Dude. Say hello. This is Dude. So I'm at his barber shop and he just gave me a nice haircut. And so far so good. I like it. So tell me, what you think? Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Alright? Peace. Hey guys, what's up? So I woke up this morning and my weekend in Bangkok is over, sadly. But the good news is I'm heading to Hua Hin right now, where I will be doing my orientation for my new job, which I will tell you guys at some point. So right now I'm just heading over to Hua Hin. My driver came to pick me, really nice guy, Ba. Let me show you Ba. Hold on. Alright, this is Ba. Ba, say hi.
Hi, morning.
Yeah. So Bar is literally taking me. He's such a good driver as well. So right now we're heading to the hospital in Bangkok to pick up one of my colleagues and a friend who's going to be working with me as well. He had a false positive on a COVID, so they chucked him in the hospital. So we're going to go pick him up now. So I'll see you guys when we get there, okay? In the meantime, enjoy. Peace. For about 3 hours in the hospital, and we finally picked up my friend and my colleague, and we're headed to Hua Hin. So that's my colleague. He's still got the COVID. That's Nicholas, everyone. Nicholas, everyone.
Hey
So yeah, we're just heading off now. I'm gonna take a nap because I'm tired. But catch you when we get to Hua Hin Beach Town. Peace. Good morning, guys. So tired. So yesterday we arrived at our place, our apartment, but then we had to go to work and sort out a few paperwork and stuff. And then by the time we got home, it was like nighttime.
so I didn't get a chance to vlog and show you guys where I live now. So I'm awake this morning, and I just thought I'd just do a quick tour, you know, show you what's up, and show you my roommates as well, my neighbors. Hi neighbor, you're gonna see her in a minute. But let me start off with the room, so come with me, let's go. So as you can see, bed, it's a bit messy, but that's my fault. Sofa, there we go, and then you go straight through. You've got a closet, my closet with all my clothes, and then the lovely bathroom. Nice sink, a nice mirror. Bathroom and toilet section. So got like a little mini fridge go in here. TV. That's it. Way out. We've got one of the sections here. We've got one section there, and we've got a section here as well. And that's mine, obviously, section 1. So let's go see one of my roommates. Hey neighbor. Where's neighbor? Hi neighbor.
Hello.
This is Noelle.
Hi guys.
She's one of my neighbors and colleagues at work.
New friend.
Yeah. And we're gonna go get breakfast. But before we do that, let me just quickly show you. You walk through the path. Got a lovely walkway that leads into this beautiful pool area. There's some resting cabana beds. It's a nice pool. And then we have like a gym section, which I will be getting into at some point for sure. Dumbbells and all that. We've got a washing machine over here. And then over here, I love this open kitchen. Look at that. Open plan kitchen. How beautiful is that? And then on this side, it's just a seating area for when you have dinner, lunch, breakfast, whatever. And then we've gone outside, rainforest, shower. Nice garden. And we've got relaxation area as well. So this place is called The Leaf.